December, with the local time at 11:33 a.m. We hope you enjoy your time here, wherever your travels take you, and if this is home, welcome home. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is off. You may continue to use your phone and charge your tablets. If you're sitting at either row, please don't plug your devices into the outlets. Don't forget to check your seat back pocket. Make sure you have all your belongings. Be careful when opening overhead bins. Once the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off, please stay clear of the doors to allow flight attendants to complete important safety duties. Once we arrive at the gate, we'll be handing you off to our airport team. They're more than happy to answer any questions that you might have. And we will be entering gate B21 for your reference. Actually, it's A23. A23 is our new gate. And baggage carousel number 12. So if you check any bags, it'll be at carousel number 12. And we do have some customers with a super tight connection to their next flight. If Denver is not your final destination, or if you're not in a hurry, please remain seated and let them pass first. Please raise your hand now if you have a tight connection so those around you will see that you need to get off quickly. Thank you. From all of us at United North Airlines partners, thank you for flying with us today. Again, we sincerely apologize for the late arrival, but we appreciate your patience and understanding. It's been our pleasure serving you. And we look forward to seeing you again soon on another United flight. Have a great day.